Hey, so let me show you all display settings that you can find on the POCO X8 Pro. Take a look. First of all, we can find a standard selection between the light and the dark mode, but also we can schedule the dark mode. So we can force specific apps to run in the dark mode, and we can also schedule the dark mode, specific date and the time. Next, we can find screen brightness, automatic brightness, and the sunlight mode that will even increase brightness over the default maximum. So very useful when you are outside. Here we can find colors settings. We can change between this, but honestly, I don't see any differences. But here we can set the color temperature manually when you select the custom one. Now, when you go back from this one, we can also find reading mode. So this mode actually allows you to change some options about the color temperature of the screen. You can even view only black and white colors, light colors, or for example, full colors. You can quickly reset by clicking here, and you can also schedule this if you want. Now, when we turn it off and go back, we can find refresh rate. So the default option, the automatic adjustment, or 60 and 120. And also we can set specific application to run in the specific refresh rate mode. And of course, the font settings, we can change font style, font size, and boldness. Now we can just go back, and this is all display settings on this phone.